Hi everyone, welcome. In today's video I have HyperX Cloud Mix Buds and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone app. Let's get started. First we have to remove them from our case, because we want them to connect with our phone. First one and the second one. Now we have to open our app. Now we have to click allow. And as you can see, it connected automatically, so we don't have to do anything. As you can see, our headphones has 100% on the left one and 100% on the right one. That's it. Like and subscribe and goodbye.